Here are 5 surprising facts about Jesus you probably didn't know. Before preaching, Jesus worked as a techton, a craftsman. He may have worked with stone, not just wood. Jesus spoke Aramaic, not Hebrew or Greek as commonly assumed, though he likely knew those too. He walked on water, healed the sick, and fed thousands. Miracles still debated and studied today. Jesus never traveled more than 200 miles from where he was born. Yet his message reached the entire world. Jesus only preached publicly for about 3 years, but changed the course of history forever. Whether you believe he's the Son of God or a great teacher, Jesus' impact is undeniable. Follow for more powerful faith facts and Bible insights. Comment Amen.